Hello everyone and welcome to lesson number 3. The title of today's video is Repeat After Me. Let's practice speaking English. Do you understand English but still feel nervous when it is time to speak? Maybe you know the words but your mind suddenly goes blank. Today we are going to fix that together. You do not need to study complicated grammar. You only need to listen, repeat and speak with me. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to use 10 natural English sentences with more confidence. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, relax and repeat after me. First, let's warm up your voice. Repeat after me. I can speak English. Again. I can speak English. A little more confidently. I can speak English. Excellent. Now say, I am improving every day. Again, I am improving every day. One more time. I am improving every day. Great job. Remember, you do not need perfect English, you only need regular exercise. Listen first. Good morning. How are you today? Now repeat. Good morning. How are you today? Again, naturally. Good morning. How are you today? Excellent. You can use this sentence when you meet someone in the morning. Sentence number 2. Listen. I'm doing well. Thank you. Repeat. I am doing well. Thank you. Again. I am doing well. Thank you. Now say it with a smile. I am doing well. Thank you. Very good. Sentence number 3. Listen carefully. What are you doing today? Repeat. What are you doing today? Again. What are you doing today? A little faster. What are you doing today? Perfect. Sentence number 4. Listen. I'm going to study English. Repeat. I am going to study English. Again. I'm going to study English. Now say it naturally. I'm going to study English. Excellent work. Sentence number 5. Listen. That sounds like a great idea. Repeat. That sounds like a great idea. Again. That sounds like a great idea. One more time. That sounds like a great idea. Good job. You can use this phrase when you like someone's plan or suggestion. Sentence number 6. Listen first. Could you please help me? Repeat. Could you please help me? Again. Could you please help me? Now say it politely. Could you please help me? Excellent. Let's look into this next sentence. I'm not sure. Let me check. Repeat. I am not sure. Let me check. Again. I'm not sure. Let me check. A little faster. I'm not sure. Let me check. Perfect. This sounds more natural than saying I don't know every time. Listen. Could you say that again, please? Repeat. Could you say that again, please? Again. Could you say that again, please? Now say it naturally. Could you say that again, please? Very good. Use this sentence when you do not understand someone. Listen. I really appreciate your help. Repeat. I really appreciate your help. Again. I really appreciate your help. Excellent. This is a warm and natural way to thank someone. Let's look into another sentence. Listen carefully. Have a wonderful day. Repeat. Have a wonderful day. Again. Have a wonderful day. Now say it with confidence. Have a wonderful day. Amazing work. Let's practice a mini conversation. Now, let's use these sentences in a short conversation. I will speak first, then you repeat the answer. Good morning. How are you today? Repeat. What are you doing today? Repeat. That sounds like a great idea. Have a wonderful day. Repeat. Excellent. Now I will say the full conversation without long pauses. Try to speak at the same time as me. Ready? Good morning, how are you today? What are you doing today? That sounds like a great idea. You have just completed your English speaking practice. Remember, confidence does not come before practice. Confidence comes because you practice. Repeat this lesson every day for 1 week. Each time, try to speak more clearly, naturally, and confidently. Write this sentence in your comments. I am improving every day. Subscribe to English with Nina for more repeat after me lessons, speaking, practice, grammar, vocabulary, and English quizzes. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.